This is quite possibly my biggest transformation yet. As you can see, the back of our home needed a lot of help, and we weren't really sure what to do with it, but we knew that we wanted to get a pergola up. Mainly because the sun hits the back of our house for the first part of the day, and it's really hot out there, and it was pretty much unbearable to even enjoy that space. So when I found the perfect pergola solution online, we took some measurements and drew up some plans and got to work immediately. I plan to turn this into a full series of start to finish with more details because I have a ton of content that I filmed throughout this process. But just to give like a little overview of what we did, first we rented a sod cutter, and that was a game changer because we didn't want to hand dig out all of the sod that was there. It was still one of the hardest parts of this whole job because the sod was really heavy to roll up and move out of the way. Then we put heavy duty grass cloth down, a layer of sand, and then we laid pavers and pea gravel. Each of those pavers weighed about 80 pounds, and just a shout out to my husband who lifted every single one of them and brought it around the house. We're going to be using mulch glue to glue the pea gravel down, just so it stays in place and the dogs don't kick it around. So once we finished the patio, it was time to put up the pergola. This is the Mirador pergola that we got from Amazon. We got the 10 by 13. It does come in different sizes and colors. What I like about it is it's full aluminum and has double layered aluminum louvers that open and close at the top. It also has an integrated water drainage feature that whisks water away without you even knowing and down the poles. So as long as you've got it closed when it's raining, it should stay pretty dry underneath. And let me tell you, it is amazing, and it only took about 3.5 hours start to finish to put it together. The only thing that we haven't done yet is bolt it to the ground. We're just waiting to position it when we get our furniture. I'm going to be working on a full DIY series on this entire build, so let me know what questions that you have and you want me to talk more in detail about. And also stay tuned because I cannot wait to style this. I'm not sure what kind of furniture I'm going to put under here yet, but it's going to be amazing.